Welcome to Coteria Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
Digital agency using QuickBooks dashboards to compare monthly revenue. Running a digital agency? You're juggling multiple clients, multiple retainers, and monthly campaigns. But here's the real question. Do you know exactly how much revenue came in last month versus this month? QuickBooks dashboards give you those answers in seconds, so you stop guessing and start tracking. Many agencies rely on spreadsheets, sticky notes, or even memory to track income across different clients. That approach leads to missed trends, uneven cash flow, and no clear view of growth. QuickBooks solves that by giving you real-time dashboards where revenue, expenses, and client income are all laid out visually. Let's see how. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Log in to QuickBooks Online. Go to your QuickBooks dashboard. Step 2. Open Reports. From the left-hand menu, select Reports. Step 3. Choose the Profit and Loss report. This shows your income and expenses. Set the date range to last month and compare it to this month. Step 4. Customize by client. Use the customer filter to see revenue from specific clients. Compare which campaigns or contracts are generating the most income. Step 5. Use dashboards for insights. QuickBooks automatically displays charts and graphs. Spot trends. Is income growing, steady, or dropping month to month? Step 6. Export or share. Download or share the report with partners or managers to keep everyone aligned. With QuickBooks dashboards, digital agencies don't just see numbers, they see insights. Compare revenue across months, spot trends, and make smarter decisions about which clients and campaigns drive growth. Check the link in the description to start tracking smarter with QuickBooks Online today.
Thanks for watching. Ready to take the next step? Visit us at coteriasolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.